I recently picked up this LED headlight conversion kit for my 2016 Dodge ProMaster, aka my Roadtrek Zion, because this came with halogen lights. Now, I shouldn't have to give a demonstration at this point. I think everyone should know that LEDs are much brighter than halogen. However, I ran into something that was kind of weird. I don't know if it's a nothing burger or if it's something to be concerned about. And so far, no one online has been able to answer my questions. So I'm gonna make a video demonstrating what I encountered. Now, right now I put the halogens back into the van, and let me start it up and show you something. Now I'm gonna be turning my headlights on and off. Let me know if you notice anything. Now, if you're listening closely, you probably are wondering, what am I listening for? And that's exactly the point. Everything sounds the same. Now, I'm gonna very quickly put the LEDs back in, hook it back up, and then we'll do another demonstration. And I think then you'll understand what I'm talking about. What I don't want this video to be is a video bashing Juggernaut USA. All right, I'm just telling you where I got the product. They shipped my order in a timely manner. They sent along all the right materials. Everything they said was going to be in the package was in the package. I will say that the instructional material they send you a printed instruction how to do this, and they made a YouTube video. Now, if you follow those to a T, you don't stray. This is actually a very easy process. So they've done, I think, really good work on their products as far as educating their users. So I'm sure there's a good explanation for what I'm experiencing, and I would love to be, well, informed by anyone out there. So I just want to be very clear. I am not here to bash a company. As far as I'm concerned, they've done nothing wrong by me. So here's the thing, folks. This may be a nothing burger. It may be expected behavior. I don't know. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know electrical systems. I just know that when I change something and then it sounds different afterwards, unless it's like an exhaust, but when it's something unexpected, like changing anything electrical, and I hear any different sound afterwards that I did not expect to hear, I will undo that change. I don't know. I would appreciate a little feedback. If anyone out there knows more than me, I'm sure there are quite a few people out there more knowledgeable than me on this subject. Until then, I'm gonna go back to the halogen until I understand what I did or what I need to do. So, I hope this information was useful. I hope it generates intelligent conversation. And that is all I have for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time.